What's up, guys? This is going to be the unboxing of the Morimoto 4-banger light pods. First off, the box is pretty cool. Comes with like a little, almost like a paper, I don't even know what to call it, origami style thing, or pop-up book. That's what it is, pop-up book kind of cover. It's cool. And then the actual lights themselves. Packaging and everything is pretty nice. This is the combo beam, so I'm using these as ditch lights, and I got the combo beam, so that's what the lens looks like on those. The cool thing about these is you can actually swap the lenses out if you want a different lens color or a different pattern later on down the road. But overall, just checking out build quality on everything. Seems pretty nice. They're pretty heavy, chunky. Pretty big heat sink on the back there. And then these use DT connectors for the power, which is super high quality connector. Let's see what else is in the box. That's all you're gonna get in the box itself. I don't have the connectors here, they're in the box still, but I ordered the, if you don't order, you gotta order the either the harness for them, or what I got is just the DT pigtail, because I'm gonna make my own wiring harness, just because I like to keep it clean and no excess wires hanging around. So yeah, that's the Morimoto 4-banger pods. Pretty nice.